What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. Obviously, y'all see what's in front of y'all. Y'all know how I do, man. Open the box to make it easier for the video, man. But here we go. We're starting on the build for the 2021. I know I've been talking about it. I did unboxing quite a while ago. The PRV, I think TW 700s. I can't remember. Don't quote me on that. I got them somewhere else, so I don't have access to them within eyesight. But yes, I did unboxing on those. Just saying, hey, we're getting started on the 2021 build, and here we go again. So what I'm gonna do, since you pretty much already see what's in front of you, you're obviously gonna see what's in the title of the video. I'm gonna get right onto it, get to grabbing this amp out the box, and there is more stuff in the box, but I hope when I grab this out, I don't end up revealing too much. But let's see how this is gonna work out. Maybe I can do it like this here and close this back up. Let's see if I'll slide that out the way. Yep, y'all still might be able to see what's in that box, man, but it is what it is. That video will be coming up sooner or later as well. But I got some more goodies in the box, so let me get all this stuff out. While I'm talking in the background, my little big dummy sucker got smashed up. Oh damn, there's some over there too. I guess I'm revealing some stuff, man, so it is what it is, but y'all know how we do down for sound. Both of these stickers are supposed to be red. Guess I'm not gonna trip on that. I guess what I'll do, maybe get a white down for sound sticker. But y'all see why it's supposed to be red coming up later. But got the lanyards, cool with that. Got plenty of these because down for sound is my go-to shop, man. I'm not, like I said, I'm not crazy about JP as a individual, but it's like Big D said, when it comes to that, man, as a company, down for sound, you can't beat it. I ordered this stuff on, I want to say Tuesday, coming from Nevada all the way to Nebraska. Got it here Friday, and let's go about it. So more than likely, if you're in an SBL base head like that, you already know who Jonathan Price is. You might know who Big D Wiz is. Jonathan Price, down for sound. Honestly, in my opinion, one of the best places to go to for car audio as far as quick shipping, having stuff that you want in stock, all that nonsense or whatever. But just to top it off, the man is so good at doing what he does, he has his own company to the point to where his own company now has car audio in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the JP8. This is his 800 watt monoblock amp. You might be following him on Facebook. I know his YouTube channel and his Facebook platform, whatever, whichever way you want to look at it. He just did some intro videos on these, so I got curious due to that intro video, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up what I got curious about here. And of course it's got to be sealed in here. Give me just a second. So as we base heads like to say, we got a box inside of a box. Let me get this open. I'm gonna jam that blade down in there. Yeah, see, hopefully y'all can see that on video. That's the reason why I don't want to jam that blade down in there like that, because might be cutting on something that I definitely don't want to cut on. So you open it up. You obviously have the box inside of the box. You open up the box and you get the owner's manual, JP8. And it's just got your speaker and input connections and whatnot. And if you want to strap them, also a troubleshooting section. So hopefully I'll get that on camera for y'all for those that want to see, because I'm pretty sure there are plenty of people that are interested in this amp. But let me get out the box because I bought it for one reason and one reason only. And like I said, if you follow this amp or the guy, you probably know exactly what I'm referring to. But let me get this out the box here. All right, so same old deal. Like I said, box inside of a box. I'm pretty sure this is the bass knob. That's hella snazzy. Yes, it is. Now I know he got this design from Death Bounce. This is something personally I think that all amps coming out and in the future should start coming with. As far as this, let's see if my camera focus on it. Is she gonna get it? There she goes. Has the voltage and the temperature. Obviously your power, protect, all that type of stuff, your clipping and whatnot, man. But this bass knob is the second reason why I got this amp, but the first reason is still coming up. So let's get back down on the table. And hopefully y'all see that as well. Got the little down for sound piece down on there. Comes with your Allen keys. And the bass knob comes with a little screwdriver, so that's what's up. And here's your cable for your bass knob. So let me get all this stuff out the way and get to this beautiful amp. And that right there is the reason why I bought this amp. Let me get her out the plastic, man. It's getting caught on this leg. Let me see, I want to try to be nice about it. Well, she's about to make me cut up. There we go. Yes, that right there is the reason why I bought this amp. That plexiglass bottom, that is so super sexy. Be able to see everything that's in there and go for it. Yeah. Hopefully y'all see that down there. Do not stir fry. So yeah, man, I'm happy. That color, I mean, it's blue. Is it electric blue? What the heck is it? It's a nice amp, man. So I'll just go ahead and go from there, man. So y'all see the deal. Let me get this box. All right, so the JP8 RMS is 850, 14.41 ohm, 700, 12.41 ohm. So if you're in the market for an 800 watt amp, used to be me, I would tell everybody go get that Pioneer GM8601, beast of an amp, hell of an amp. I think they're like D series now or whatever, DX or whatever the hell. I can't keep up with Pioneer, and they're you know, they're changing stuff every once in a while, man. So this JP8 Big D Wiz is coming up with the dyno hopefully this weekend. So we'll see what the ratings actually are. JP claims that they're underrated amps, so obviously Big D will confirm or deny that, man. So we'll go from there, man. But I cannot tell you on this camera right now, it looks kind of dark blue. It's really not. It's more of kind of this edge. It's more of that color. I can't see anything other than this thing is super sexy, man. And so some of y'all might be focusing on the amp. I'm pretty sure y'all are, due to the fact that it's a new amp. Like I said, he's just dropping. I know he had the JP23 out. Seems to be doing well. Obviously, Big D did a video on that and performed good. So we'll see what's up with the little blue joint here, man. So y'all probably looking at that little box in the back. That's coming up as well. I got a lot of stuff coming in. Be doing more and more unboxing videos as the products come in. Obviously, you've probably seen what was down there when I moved that box out the way. Based on the way I got the camera set up right now, I'll have to go back and look at it and see if that was caught in there, because I kind of got it, y'all could kind of see it's off to the side a little bit, so I can make sure that I got that good shot of that amp, man, because like I said, for some reason on the camera it looks a lot darker than it actually is, man. It's real like a winter green, cool blue amp. So, man, very nice. And to be completely honest with y'all, I don't know what I'm going to use it for. So we'll see what happens with that in the next coming weeks, and go from there, man. But yeah, 2021, we finally got her up and rolling. Got this little JP8. I guess I should get this, because I guess the other box said Enjoy or whatever the hell. So this one says Enjoy the JP8. Yada, yada, yada. So 800 watts to some people. Good to go. Some people, what the heck are you doing with 800 watts? You're not doing too much. So we'll see what happens with that when I get to going with that video. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. It just depends on how I feel, man. So, but y'all see that over there. That will be definitely part of the 2021 build, and we'll go from there, man. So same deal. It's your boy Young Dub. Any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and hit me up, man. I try to get back to everybody. Y'all know what I'm doing. 2021. If your mirrors ain't shaking, damn it, you gotta take it. I'm out of here. Y'all have a good one.